Okay, well, I had to go to the store to get, the basics, milk, cream, eggs. I think I picked up some crackers as well. And I thought I'd stop by the Walmart to see if they still had this box on sale. And as you can see, sale price was $17.38. I save $11.59. Regular price is $28.97 because there is one jar missing. And hey, for $11.59 for one jar, I'll buy these. Now, they are the pint and a half size, or 750 mil. Don't need them, but I've only ever bought one case of these, and they're pretty awesome for, it's a great size. So this would be my second case, one missing. I'm not unhappy with this. So, and like I said, not that I need any more jars, but I couldn't pass it up. Unfortunately, that's me with jars. Okay,